camera right there. Welcome back to another video. Today we have a security camera, but not only a security camera. Today we have a wireless, solar-powered security camera. So that's a big thing right there in the security camera world. That means you can isolate this camera, put it pretty much anywhere in your house, in a tree, wherever you want to put it. It is solar powered. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can make virtual review of videos so you guys will miss the latest and greatest deals. Alright, so we got the X-Sense Smart Security Camera Wireless PIR Sensor, 1080p, color night vision, two-way audio. Alright, so we got all the bells and whistles that we need, including it does work with the phone, with the app. Big shout out to X-Sense for sending us this item to test for you guys to see if it works or see if it doesn't work. See if it's actually worth buying. So here is the camera itself. We got, or actually the box of the camera. X-Sense Smart Security Camera, SSCOA. You got the Apple Store or Google Play. Just battery powered, IP65 waterproof. 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network, so it does have to be a 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi network. The 5 gigahertz is not going to work. Most Wi-Fi's are dual band. They do have a 2.4 and a 5, so make sure it's on the 2.4, otherwise this is not going to work. And that goes for any other device, not just this one, any other camera. I'm not going to go into detail, but that's pretty much how it works. Activity zone, so it does have a circle or a square you guys could put in case you have an entrance or something you needed to put this camera to work. You got cloud storage, spotlight, multi-user sharing, two-way audio. So you can talk to the person on the other side of the camera. It says made in China. Got the instruction manual. Obviously this is going to be your solar panel. It is USB Type-C. You are able to mount this. It does have 4 screw mounts and a regular, kind of like a camera mount. I don't know exactly the measurement on that one. Some mounting hardware. You got some more mounting hardware. So this is like the stand. You got the actual base, and then you can pivot this, the one that ties. You got another USB Type-C, USB Type-A, so maybe for updates or charging or whatnot. You got another mount for the camera. This does come in white, and this is adjustable, pretty much about 90 degrees or so. And then lastly, we do have the camera. Alright, so this is the camera itself. It does have that mount, the same mount on the back. It says quality control pass 14. It says X-Sense on the side, nothing on the other one. You do have some nice rubber feet there at the bottom. Maybe that's where that's where the charging cable is at. The micro SD card that goes in there. The sensor there, that's the motion sensor. You got some sort of LED light there and another LED light over here. So this could be like a little flash type of light. And then obviously you got the camera, the main camera in there. You got X-Sense model. It says Smart Security Camera. Model SSCOA. Input 5 volts. 15 amps. Battery capacity 5000 mAh. Made in China. And then you got the... So this is very simple. Just screws on the back. Goes in the back like so, and then you screw these into the wall. Just have a speaker, looks like a speaker on the back, maybe a microphone. Actually, the mic might be on the front. Enough battery, so right there it's charging. Big images, so it's easy to see. You are required to drill or to screw on to the wall, basically. I'm going to choose Google Play. It says Play Store link. It says install. It says open. And then you are required to put your information there, making yourself a private account. It says tap add device. Smoke alarms. cameras. You're going to select the camera. Please enter your name for your home. So you're going to enter whatever you're going to name it. So just going to say front door. I'm just going to put entryway and I named it front door. This is the button here that you're supposed to press. Alright. So we got a sound. Next step. You got Wi-Fi, so I'm just going to click on that. As always, using the app. You have to add the Wi-Fi. That's going to tell you whether it's a 2.4 or a 5 gigahertz. It says searching for devices. Temporary Wi-Fi network. Connect the network.
Connection succeeded.
Configuring Wi-Fi parameters. Please place the device where you need to install and check the strength of the Wi-Fi. So you do have to take this outside and put it where it's going to be to test if it's actually strong. Just the installation angle. We recommend a height of about 6.9 feet. Tilt downwards at 15 degrees. Really pretty good quality. This is live. It's a little delay, but it's normal. And then you can actually speak on the camera. Make it easier myself, but got an extension. Mounted right there. So little base. This is gonna be our base. It's just painted, so there does have a few details, but for the most part it's dry. We're gonna go ahead and install this. I don't have time for it to dry out completely, but we're gonna try to handle it with gloves. We are done with this project. We got the camera right there. That's the mount we did, and that is the solar panel. Alright, so top of the line images, probably not. Decent images for daylight and night, yes it is. It's a budget friendly camera, so you guys just see the image there. I really like the solar power feature it has there, the app. Everything seems to be working pretty good. You do get notifications on your phone, but you do get a little bit of lag in the app. And the quality at night is not the best, but for the budget, I think it's actually pretty good. So definitely check it out, guys. Don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.